Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about these Rollerblade office chair wheels. I just actually got these, I want to say about a week ago, and I've been using them for the past week, and I can say they looked a little bit goofy at first, but I tried them, okay? Because I actually have my office chair down here. I had the traditional wheel casters here, and I have kind of just a basement workspace where I put some rugs on here, and I kept getting caught on where all the rugs met with these traditional wheels. So someone made a recommendation to me, and they said, you know what? Why don't you get these rollerblade wheels? And they're like literally, when I say rollerblade wheels, I literally mean that they're like the kind of that hard rubber that you're going to see there. They've got the they're a little bit larger. They're supposed to roll over better, and they've got these nice little ball bearings. I don't know if you can see them in the. You can see them up top here. Basically, the installation was really easy. Basically, I just popped out the other wheel, and then they pop in the rollerblade wheel just like you're supposed to. And again, they give you five. They give you five as a set of five, so it goes in the casters. And again, they just press in like you would a normal office chair. But what I like about this is you can actually see. You get probably an extra inch or so of ground clearance on the chair, and then I can tell you that this actually does roll very, very easily. I mean, it kind of feels like you're on an air hockey table with all these wheels. Again, I do recommend you pick them up because I thought they were goofy at first, but I gotta say they're one of the best upgrades that I've made to my office chair. So pick them up if you're having a hard time rolling around. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.